eyes on them now. Is that vehicle just blacked out?
10-4.
Boy Charles X-ray 151. Go ahead, check intercept.
We're all units. We're going to be 1063 at 1233.
We're on the 73.
Yeah.
2 TDI attempts.
Yeah.
73 exit ramp, he may be stopping.
Unit
L6 joint call.
Is he wrong way?
Hey, give me cover on the vehicle. We haven't cleared it yet.
Hey, if you move, you're gonna get hit. Do you understand? Put the phone down. Hands up to your side.
We're gonna go hands on him.
Is there anyone in the car?
No. Stop moving your hands. You understand me?
Stop moving.
Okay, let's roll him to the right. Sweep his stomach.
No, 69.
Nothing.
Who started this?
What's your traffic? I told her she can release the matter if y'all's 15. Careful. 93, 251.
Copy, break all units. We are 1064 at 1236.
What's up, Caleb?
What up, brother?
You know what plates are, last name, Mary Edward, Noah, David Edward, Zebra. First name's going to be David Edward, Robert, out of Charles. Earl,